see, you might get a little wet on Jurassic World, the ride. So I don't really know what's going on, but maybe we should wait until.
Sorry about that, folks. Looks like Blue got away from us.
Oh my God.
We're the Bemis family from Beaverton, Oregon, and we're on a trip to Los Angeles for our latest family vacation. We hit everything on our must-do list, except for one thing. We've never been to Universal Studios Hollywood, so we're going to the park with a couple of expert guides to show us how it's done. This is Universal.
All right, guys,
Oh
we
my
finally
gosh!
made it.
Look, they even rolled out the red carpet for us.
Get in there, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Bemis family, hello!
How's it going?
We are Universal Studios Hollywood superfans and your guides for today. I'm Andre.
And I'm Julia. We're both from LA and we love all things Universal Studios Hollywood. Like, I've been to this park more than I've seen blood relatives kind of love.
Same. We're going to give you a grand tour of the entire park like only a couple of super nerds can.
We're gonna hit up Super Nintendo World, all right? Jurassic World. Then we're gonna go to the world famous studio tour. And then we're gonna go to the wizarding world of Harry Potter. So pretty much all of the worlds.
But also a land, Minion Land, right? So Bemis family, are you ready for your best day in LA?
Yeah!
Then Universal Studios Hollywood, here we come! Yes!
Scooby-Doo, always a favorite of ours.
Frankenstein!
Oh, very nice, a nice one.
The moment you've been waiting for, your whole Mario loving Goomba squashing life, Super Nintendo World!
Out-of-body experiences are strongly encouraged.
What do you hope to see inside?
Mario Kart.
I want to see Luigi.
Okay, yeah, let's go
Mario
see Luigi. All right,
Let's go
let's
inside.
do it.
Look at it all!
Oh, that's
Coolest thing ever.
Super Nintendo World, guys!
I can't wait to do some Mario Kart.
I feel like protecting the princess.
I know it's a big moment, but we have to get you all properly outfitted first.
I know exactly what you guys need. Yes, these are the power-up bands. They will help you level up your experience here at Super Nintendo World.
I would do Luigi.
Princess Peach.
Well, if you're getting Princess Peach, I have to be Mario.
Oh, and I see you picked Toad. That must make you a fun guy.
Didn't realize that I had a collar on.
Here, there you go, some Mario pose.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Say,
I just wanted to say, the overalls really bring out your eyes. It's a really good look. You guys are doing a great job.
thank you so much.
Yeah.
All right, another pro tip. You can link up your power-up band to the Universal Studios Hollywood app, and that helps you keep track of all your digital coins, stamps, and achievements.
You gotta be able to remind Dad who won later,
Oh,
right?
I'm gonna win.
Yeah.
It's gonna be me.
If you guys complete the key challenges, there's a special surprise waiting for you later, so that's another reason why you want these. My money's on Amelia.
Everyone's bold here. Well, let's find
All
out.
right, let's do
go.
So I'm gonna collect all the coins. Yeah.
You collected that key now.
I'm next. All right, see if I can do this.
Hit the alarm clock. Hit him. Hit him.
Get him, Beans, get him.
We did it! We completed all the key challenges. Now here's your reward.
An epic boss battle in Bowser Jr.'s lair.
Ooh,
It's the Shadow Showdown. Cut. Okay, so that was supposed to be like a cool transition. Oh, okay, there we go.
That was really cool.
All that detail.
It feels like I'm actually in Bowser's castle. This is like a childhood dream of every kid.
All right, so we've gone from Bowser Jr.'s lair to now we're at Bowser's castle. For Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge, which is one of the most fun and innovative rides I've ever been on. And I've been on some rides, you guys.
It's a combination of practical sets and augmented reality.
You guys ready?
Let's
All right, let's go.
Here we go.
UNO and up against Dad and I. Game on.
We just have to beat the children. That's all we're looking for.
That was so much fun.
What did you guys score?
154.
Wow.
How about 186?
Oh, 186.
Mom and Dad for the win.
You know, guys, you can't say that you fully experienced Super Nintendo World without trying some of Chef Toad's tasty creations.
Chef Toad has prepared us a wonderful meal. And then check out the windows. You can see outside to see what's going on in the Mushroom Kingdom while you eat.
There's Chef Toad in the kitchen there.
Tell me about the challenge.
Once you finish the whole thing, there's a picture of Bowser at the bottom of the plate.
Let's give it up for this dessert that just showed up. Oh my gosh.
Perfect timing. So guys, as we wrap up, we figured that mid-bite was the perfect opportunity to tell you that there's someone else we would like you to meet after our meal.
Ooh, shall we take a picture together?
Yeah!
Yay!
Yeah, thank you!
Come see me again soon.
For your college application, 3, 2, 1. Like it's for your big brother. Okay, so as you can see, you might get a little wet on Jurassic World the ride. All right, my favorite seat if I want to stay dry is the middle of the back row.
But the front right will get you drenched.
And on a hot day like this, that's kind of what I'm feeling.
What do you think?
I think it's gonna be fun.
Sorry about that, folks. It's like Blue got away from us.
Okay, so this is Blue from
This
the
is
movie,
Blue.
yeah?
I think this is a good time for us to use the Universal Express ticket.
Oh, yeah.
So that we can go through the line faster, get away from this dinosaur, but see some more dinosaurs
Right,
inside.
right.
Oh.
What's inside are bigger.
That really scared you, didn't it?
Yeah.
It was so much fun.
What a blast. Jurassic World is amazing.
Was it as scary as you thought it might be?
Scarier.
Scary, but the good kind of scary,
I have ridden
right?
that ride many
Yeah.
times and I still get scared every single time.
Minion Way, we're coming right up to it.
As you can probably tell, we're now surrounded by our giant yellow capsule-shaped friends. We are now officially in Minion Land.
It's amazing. I can't believe how real it is.
Yeah. Now, of course, we got Despicable Me, Minion Mayhem. Very fun ride. But you guys, you're going to become dogs on the Secret Life of Pets Off the Leash. Now, here's Adoption Day. Oh, yeah.
It got me. All right.
That was fun.
Did we say it was great or did we say it was absolutely
I think
great?
It was absolutely great.
It's so good. And I also have it on good authority that after the ride, you can adopt your plush pet at the gift shop.
Oh,
So-
the same one.
Or,
I might have gone a little overboard.
Andre, I think we're gonna need a storage locker.
I guess you can have one if you want.
Okay.
Oh, you're going to take Chloe. Okay, that's fine. That's not my favorite. All right.
Wait, can we go see the Minions?
Ooh, I don't know.
busy,
Yeah,
Grace.
of course!
Super silly fun land.
The Minions are here! Yeah! I think we need a Minion dance party, y'all. Minion dance party!
Oopsie-doke.
Oh, yep.
Shake your groove thing, baby.
1, 2, 3, banana! Dance it out.
We're this
y'all
one.
good? Y'all good? Good.
So one great thing that sets Universal Studios Hollywood apart from any other Universal park is that you can take a real behind-the-scenes look at a real working movie studio.
We're about to go behind the scenes where some of your favorite movies and television shows are being made. In fact, we're filming a production right
You
now.
guys are doing great, by the way.
Oh, you mean us?
Oh.
Cut.
You might recognize Hill Valley
Hill Valley.
from Back to the Future. Now that City Hall building is the famous clock tower. And we're going to take a little bit of a turn, quite literally, into King Kong Skull Island.
Here we go.
I thought this was gonna be scary, but it's not.
It literally seemed like you were right there.
This set demonstrates the rain used in movie making.
Oh no! There's the car!
Now, the only beach we have on property is Amity Island for the movie Jaws.
Oh!
Oh no.
The fire. That felt so real.
It is.
Oh yeah.
All good things must come to an end, and that does mean that we have reached the end of our tour.
The next up on our tour is near and dear to my heart. And Amelia, I know you've been waiting patiently all day for...
The Simpsons!
That's right, and I'm happy to say you guys are not as dysfunctional as them.
We'll
But
take
the day is young. The day is young.
You are standing next to the queen of everything Simpsons.
I have some questions I want to ask you, Amelia. All right, number one, what is your favorite Simpsons character?
Probably Ralph.
It's a great choice. What is your favorite Simpsons episode?
Treehouse of Horrors.
I love the treehouse. That's
yes,
great.
yes,
Oh my
King
gosh.
and Toadstool. I
Okay,
love
all right.
it.
This is a call and response quiz, all right? I'm gonna say dental plan, and you're gonna say.
Lisa needs braces.
Oh my gosh, you did it! Wow, that was amazing.
Whenever my family goes out to vacation, we always see Homer things.
You always see Homer things?
And we always take pictures of it.
Oh,
nice.
wow. I think we can add another one to your album. Best day ever! Let's go have some fun! Hey, all right. Thank you. Oh my gosh, Amelia, that donut is the size of your head.
Yeah, it
If
is.
you need help eating it, I know a gal who can help you.
All right, well, that's it. Thank you all for coming out. Hope you enjoyed your stay. Wait a second.
I knew it.
There is one more major movie-themed area of the park that I think you all should check out.
Welcome to Hogsmeade at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, guys.
And with the magic of editing,
Look at this, pretty nice, huh? Tina, I see we're both Ravenclaw, love that, yeah. So we have your Ollivanders wands at the ready, here you go. Make sure that you warm up your swish and flick arm, because we're gonna be casting some spells, y'all. When we go inside, make sure you look for the gold medallions on the ground and follow their instructions. And no throwing jinxes at anybody, okay? I'm not looking at anyone in particular, but specifically you, Dad, I don't trust you.
We'll see.
Okay, all right.
Ventus.
Ventus,
Ventus! You can do it, son.
you can do it.
Maybe. Silencio.
All right. Wingardium Leviosa.
and here it is, the iconic Hogwarts Castle. What do you think,
I
huh?
think it's really cool.
We're going on Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. Come on, let's go.
There we go.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh my god, I'm actually kind of scared.
Yes. Yes.
I feel like we've earned ourselves a treat. Have we earned a treat?
Yeah.
All right.
Now, if you are a butterbeer aficionado like myself, you're gonna want to try it all. Cold, hot, frozen, potted cream, fudge, ice cream.
Ooh, plus a non-dairy option. Sometimes I just stop in for a butterbeer on my way to work.
Wait, don't you work from home?
Perks of being an annual pass holder, baby. Yeah, that's right.
We gotta head over to Hagrid's neck of the woods because we have to ride the Flight of the Hippogriff.
Oh yeah, so this is a family-friendly roller coaster. It's super gentle. Amelia, I think you're gonna love it.
Up there were gorgeous, though.
Well, you know what's awesome?
Rhetorical questions?
Yes, that.
Oh.
And also, dinner.
A feast awaits.
Okay, this is literally the Great Feast. It feeds a family of 4, and it has some of the finest British fare. We also got some fish and chips, so dig in.
This looks great. Oh, and get some vegetables.
So how do you guys feel about one more last little bit of magic?
Yeah. Of course.
All right, great. I was hoping you would say that.
Hogwarts Castle becomes the backdrop for a brilliant light show at night. What about that, Reed?
Oh my gosh. Man, that was spectacular.
Well, the best way to end the best day in LA is to go to Universal CityWalk with acres of shopping, restaurants, movies, and steampunk milkshakes. I mean, was that on your bingo card?
It is now.
The Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen. How about these shakes, huh?
Can you believe it? So, you guys, we got the perfect end of the perfect day. What were your favorite parts? I mean, we started in Super Nintendo World.
Nintendo World was super cool. I love that one.
The Harry Potter light show. So good.
Transformers for me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, check
Well,
on the
be
right thing.
thanked for your bravery. I mean, who could pass that up?
I really like the Secret Life of Pets.
Secret Life Pets off a leash.
But you know what? I have a question for everybody. I think really the most important question of the day. Who's your favorite tour guide?
Definitely both of you guys.
That's a good answer.
That's a good answer. You know what? I'll cheers to that.
Yes, to the best day in LA.
Best day in LA.